lovely Lori here, the Positivity Princess. And I'm filming a very short, quick, I promise this time, quick video. I'm actually at work and I'm just going to take advantage of a little bit of time I have to quickly throw this together. There's a method that I've been using called 55 by 5, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, so first of all, what it is that it's a manifestation method that is meant to train and reprogram the subconscious mind. So as you know, you have certain ideas that have been programmed into your mind for a long time since you were little, and our job at this point is to reprogram out negative thoughts or limiting thoughts and beliefs and reprogram with empowering thoughts, things that will help you to achieve all your goals and have all the happiness that you deserve. So how to do this? For the next 5 days, you will write out what you want to manifest. You will write it 55 times. And so for 5 days, you'll write it out 55 times. And after the 5 days, you'll let it go and release it. So the keys to this working is that you will write your sentence in the present. The one I'm using is, I love myself exactly how I am. Now, I do have self-esteem issues at times, and I have trouble with the idea of loving myself. I'm getting closer and closer, and I do feel a little tinges of these weird feelings that I don't recognize, of like admiration for things, something that I said where I'm like, surprise myself. I'm like, oh, I said that. That was good. I don't know if it's self-esteem or just lacking in self-love, and I'm not sure where it stems from. I do have some work to do there, but this is me having written it out for day 1, 55 times 5. So I'm not just talking about it. I'm not a poser, people. I'm doing it. The second key, okay, so number 1, writing it in present. Key number 2 is to be grateful when you're writing it. So I wrote out, I love myself exactly how I am. But I could say, as I'm reading it and reminding myself, I could say, thank you for allowing me to love myself exactly how I am. Or I'm so grateful that I'm able to love myself how I am. Okay, so use gratitude. Number 3 is to really feel it as you write it. So as Neville Goddard says, feeling is the secret. Feel it, feel it, feel it. Don't just say it. Feel it, an intense, passionate feeling of whatever it is you want. Feel the feelings of having already gotten it. Is it relief that you feel? Is it just joy? Is it happiness that you would define it as? But I think the best way to describe it is relief. Feel the relief of having achieved whatever it is. So for me, when I do feel the sense of self-love that I'm looking for, I will have a sense of relief, and I'll have a sense of immense love for myself as well. And I can just imagine how that would feel, but it doesn't seem to maintain. So I'm going to work on that. Okay, the next thing I wanted to say is to combine, key number 4 is to combine 55 by 5 with other methods. So there's scripting, there's your 90-day letter, there's setting daily intentions. Combining this 55 by 5 with daily intentions, it makes a lot of sense. You take your affirmation that you wrote out 55 times, you're saying it with feeling, and also you're combining it with the idea of setting an intention for the day. So for today, my intention is to feel as much love for myself as possible and to limit my negative self-talk, like incredibly. Limit it, stop myself in my tracks. The last thing is to meditate. So getting control over your mind through mindfulness and meditation, it's the key, people. Okay, so I've started this today. I wanted to mention that we have our positivity Facebook called AB Positive. Join, and we have a really supportive, wonderful community there that everyone just sticks together like friends, and it's a nice feeling. It's like a family. Okay, so if you want to join, I'll put a link below. It's called AB Positive. Very nice. There's about 30 posts a day, keeping us in a happy, positive vibe. Okay, it's just a little bit of help that anybody can use. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please, if you liked anything you saw, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, because remember, if you're not watching these videos, I'm just talking to myself. You know what they say about people that talk to themselves? We are highly intelligent. Okay, thank you so much. Hey, be positive.